This video is a tutorial on the 8 fundamental chest exercises. If you're new to the channel and want to stay updated on future videos, please subscribe by hitting the bell up top. Dumbbell press can be done on an incline bench 30 to 45 degrees with a heavy dumbbell in each hand. Hands starting at the top, lower the dumbbell slowly down to your chest and push up, squeezing the upper pecs at the top. This exercise is great for building the upper chest, adding a more squared, shapely look. The disadvantage is that anyone with a shoulder injury may find it painful to do this exercise. Variations can be using a barbell, cable, or hammer strength machines. Flat dumbbell chest press is done on a flat bench using a dumbbell in each hand. Push the weight up, squeeze the chest at the top, lowering the weight down, keeping your hands pronated the entire time. The benefit to this exercise is that it's great for adding strength and size to your mid-pectoral. The disadvantage is usually a lack of experience in form, going too fast, or lacking the squeeze at the top. Variations could be using a barbell, hammer strength machines, or even push-ups. Decline dumbbell chest press is done on a decline bench. Laying back, push the dumbbells up, squeezing your chest at the top, keeping your hands in a pronated position. Slowly lower the dumbbells back down to your lower chest, getting a full stretch. The benefits to this exercise is that it works the lower chest, and the steeper the decline, the more the lower chest you'll work. The disadvantage is that it takes some getting used to being in an upside down inverted position. Certain variations could be using a barbell, dips, or other types of machines. Dips are done by suspending yourself between a pair of parallel bars. Lower yourself slowly down, bringing your shoulders at the same level as your elbow. Fill in a stretch between your chest and shoulders, push back up, then squeezing your chest. The benefits of this exercise is that it's a calisthenic functional movement. The disadvantage is that because it's advanced, not all beginners can do it so easily, so they'll need to do variations, such as using machines, bands, or a partner to help hold your legs. Incline dumbbell flies are done on an incline bench 30 to 45 degrees with 2 lighter dumbbells. Starting at the top, bring the dumbbells to your left and right side, stretching the chest. Bring them back together towards the middle, squeezing the chest. The benefits of this exercise is that it tones the upper chest and adds definition. The disadvantage is that anyone with shoulder pains may experience some discomfort with it. The variations are using a cable, pec deck, or other type of machines. Flat dumbbell flies can be done on a flat bench with a heavier weight. Start with the dumbbells at top, bring the dumbbells apart, keeping a slight bend in your elbow to get more stretch in your chest. Then bring the dumbbells up towards each other, squeezing and flexing your middle chest. This exercise works the middle chest, adding striations and definition and a little bit of tone. The disadvantage of this exercise is that it can be overworked with the shoulders if done with poor form. Variations would include cable crossovers. Decline dumbbell flies are done on a decline bench. Laying down, start with the dumbbells far away from you, then bring them apart to your sides, getting a stretch in your lower chest. Squeeze them back up towards the middle, flexing your lower chest to add tone towards the middle lower area of your pecs. The benefit to this exercise is that it tones and shapes the chest area. The disadvantage is that it's an awkward position and may take some getting used to. Variations are dips and other type of chest machine. Pec deck machine is done with your back to the middle pad, and the side pads are being pushed by your elbows. Pull the pads towards the middle, squeezing your chest. The benefit to this exercise is that it allows you to get maximum squeeze on your pectorals. The disadvantage is that the machine is not always readily available in every gym. Variations may include using a bent arm machine or a straight arm machine.
Show me how to burn the block down before it slows up, before the window of opportunity closes up. I came, I saw, I conquered, I'm tall. Yeah, I came, I saw, I conquered, I'm